here, welcome to Snap's lightning ball draw. Today I'm pretty sure selecting the other machine is obviously one heck of machinery. First ball out, number 33. Second ball out, number 45. Oh yeah, this is the first lottery draw in Leap Days. Third ball out, number 81. Fourth ball out, number 48. Fifth and final number is number 65. You're already wondering. And the lightning ball is 35. Those numbers again in descending order are 33, 45, 48, 65 and 81. And the lightning ball is 35. That was tonight's bingo lightning ball draw, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.